Hey guys, so if you're dealing with thinning hair or notice that it's shedding a lot more than usual, like I have, this strengthening serum is a really great plant-based option. It's a lightweight formula, not greasy, and it's designed to help your hair look and feel stronger, thicker, and healthier over time. So in this are two main ingredients, which are the quinine and edelweiss, if I'm saying those correctly, which those are two botanical ingredients that support that stronger hair. Again, this is good for thinning hair, shedding hair, or like weak, broken, fragile, when you get those broken ends in your hair. This is a leave-in formula, so you don't have to rinse it out. It helps for both men and women. It is lightweight and it can be used on color treated or fine hair. You use this about 3 times a week. Put it on your scalp, and you massage it in. You can use it on damp or dry hair. It doesn't matter, which I love because sometimes I forget after the shower. Sometimes I forget when my hair is dry. And yeah, I have been noticing a little bit less shedding and some new baby hairs growing in. You do feel a little bit of a tingling sensation when you put it on, but it absorbs super quickly as well. So give it a try.